So okay, here. So here in this chart, we have only two levels, right? The level is here,
Yes.
and the next level is here, and the market movement is like this, right? In between these two lines. So this is the next market movement, but there is a breakout. There is a
Yes.
breakout means it may continue, right? It may
Yes.
continue or it may reverse too. So a 50-50 chances, right?
Yes.
So here we can't take any decision, right? We can't take any decision. So we have to
Yes.
wait for the next candle. Now there is a reversal sign here also, here also. There is a reversal sign. It may continue, right? It may continue, and this candle confirms the uptrend.
Yes.
So next candle, green or red?
Next candle is green, sir.
Green. Okay. So this is a continuation sign, right? So it will continue
Yes.
the trend because this is the market movement means it may continue, right? We no need to worry about this level because we don't know how strong this level is, right? We
Yes.
don't know. There is no past history. So now
Uh, Now market close at the level means there is a chance to form a red candle.
red candle, right?
Yes.
So there is a
Yes.
chance to break, but we don't know it will break or not. But we know it will reverse because this is the
Yes.
seller's area,
Yes.
right? So here we can expect seller's entry only, even if you lost. So
Yes.
seller center means still some sellers are interested. Now there is a level here, right? We can draw a level here. This one, okay? This is a
Yes.
level. It broke, but it broke this level, but it didn't break this level, right? That's why it reversed.
Yes.
But again, it entered into the level. So again, the market movement may continue like this, right?
Yes.
But here there is another level, this one. Maybe the market may get support and may go up, or if market breaks, it will continue to, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to observe what will happen at the level. So here, so the next candle may be a red candle, right? Because we are
Yes,
seeing a
sir. Bearish.
momentum continuously. Here is
Yes.
now.
Next can next also bearish.
Why?
Hello.
Yes, why?
Because this is a downtrend and
Okay,
there is no level
no level
to go with buyers.
and
That is a continuation candle, spin top
continuation
candle.
sign. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Now it closed at the level. We should wait.
we should wait. What will happen in the
Yes.
market? So
Yes.
it may reverse or it may break, but it didn't break this level means it may try to reverse most of the time, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is a chance to reverse, and this is a strong buyer's area too. So it may reverse. If you want to go with, if you want to place, you can place a higher option only, right? You can't
Yes, sir.
place a, you can't place a lower option. You can't expect a breakout because it didn't break.
Yes.
So we can place higher option or better to wait for the next candle. Now,
Yes. It's a strong candle. We can go with buyers again.
long candle, this candle confirms there are some buyers at this level, right?
Yes.
So a engulfing candle too. So we can expect buyers entry. Now
We can expect another buyer candle.
another buyer candle because there is a gap. So here
Yes.
what we have to do is if the market touch this level and closes below the level with some gap, then we can't expect buyers, we can't expect sellers because
Yes.
sometimes sellers may enter because the market touch this level. So
Yes.
here if the candle closes like this without touching this level, then only we can expect buyer's entry. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So this is a 50-50 chances. Better to wait. So now again buyers
No.
enter a doji candle,
Yes.
but still there is a gap. So it may fill or it may reverse.
Yes.
So this is a continuation sign, but it at this level already means it may try to reverse too. So we have to wait for the next candle. So now there is a breakout candle.
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the next candle?
It will continue to go up.
It may continue
Yes.
to this level because there is a reversal point. It reverse, again it reverse, again it may reverse here. A strong level, right?
Yes.
So it may continue, or this is a breakout means it may reverse too. So at
Yes.
this type of situation, we can place our trade with 5 second
So
confirmation, a lower option, because this is a breakout candlestick, and there is a
yes.
level 2 on the left side, right here and here. So we can place a lower option with margin of safety or with 5 second confirmation. We can't place a higher option or lower option directly.
Yes.
So now
Mm. A spin top candle at the level means it will be take some retracement.
it may take some retracement, and if you observe, we are seeing a breakout. After breakout, there is no seller's interest. What does it
Yes.
mean?
It means it will be go up.
Buyers may continue.
Yes.
So this is the previous market movement in this trend, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are seeing a market movement like this. So it may continue to reach next level. If market breaks this level, again it will continue. If market closes at the level, then it will try to reverse. So we have to observe what will happen at the level. And here there is a level. Here also there is a level. This is a horizontal line point. The market is trying these levels in the middle of the trend without reaching this
Yes.
level. So
Yes.
we can't expect a seller's entry here. Right? The market may break the
Yes.
level. The market is in momentum. Instead of sellers, we are seeing buyers. So no sellers interest. They are not enough. So it will continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Now it is closed at the level means it will be reversed.
it may reverse. Okay.
Yes.
And this is a breakout candlestick. It
Yes.
closed at the level means we can place a lower option directly without any confirmation. It broke this level means we can place our trade with 5 second confirmation. So you can place a trade directly, or if you want to take, you can take 5 second confirmation also. Right? And this is very
Yes.
long candle closed at the level, so a sign of reversal. So better to place a lower option, or better to place with 5 second confirmation because the market is in momentum. Now
Mm. Now sellers are very strong means now it will next candle is bearish candle.
this candle will be bearish candle.
Yes.
So this is the level we are seeing strong seller sentiments. Next candle will be bearish candle. Or next candle may be bullish too, if 50 chances, but this is a strong candle means better to go with sellers, not with buyers.
Yes. Sir.
I will show you next candle. Now, no sellers interest. Okay. So
Yes. Sir.
again buyers entered. Maybe it may continue, maybe it may continue like this, then it may reverse, right?
Yes. Sir.
Or there is a round number, maybe it may reverse directly like this too, right? Like this too. But
Yes.
so we have to wait. There is a round number here. Better to wait for the next candle. So now still buyer's entry and there is a new low. Still the candle closed at the level. Instead
Yes. Sir.
of going up, the market is going down like this. Right? The market
Yes.
is taking U-turn. So better to wait for the next candle to confirm the downtrend or to confirm the uptrend. So if the next candle is like this, breakout of round number, it may continue to the next level. The next candle is a bearish candle. We need to wait for next candle to confirm the downtrend. If the next candle is like this, we have to wait for another bearish candle to confirm the downtrend. Okay, because of this consolidation area. So we have to wait for the next candle. I will show you next candle. Again seller center. It means there is a strong level at this round number, right? So
Yes.
there is a double top pattern too, but the next bearish candle will confirm this double top pattern is a valid pattern. It means the market may get support and may go up too, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to wait for another candle to confirm this downtrend. Then only we can play a silver option because we can't trust this type of candlestick. Now
Um, it is a continuation candle.
it is a
So
continuation.
we have to wait, sir.
The next level
Yes,
is
we
here.
have to wait.
So the market may get support from this level, may go up to,
Yes, sir.
or it may continue to. So still
Yes.
there is no confidence. So we have to wait.
Yes, sir.
Now
It's a breakout candle. So we can go with seller, sir. It's a
we can go
breakout
with
candle.
sellers. We
Yes.
can go with sellers from this point.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can go with sellers, but here if you observe, there are some buyers entry in the market. So always there are some buyers entry in this trend. If you observe this market and this market and this sellers entry, there is no interruption from buyers, right? But here
Yes,
we
sir.
are seeing some buyers interest. It means buyers may enter at any time, or
Yes, sir.
buyers may easily respect this level when market closes at the level, right? It may easily respect this level. So here we can go with sellers. Or some buyers are interested means better to place with better to go with sellers with some margin safety like this. Okay. Because even there is
Yes,
a strong candle, it reversed, right? Here also
yes,
there
sir.
is a strong candle, it reversed means it may reverse too. But better to go with sellers with margin safety at this type of situation. So now
Yes, and now we can go with it's. I should wait, sir.
by
Why? Because it's better to go with sellers, but not at the opening price.
not at a open price. From
Yes,
going
sir.
sellers, you can go with sellers from this point, okay? And
Yes.
if you observe, there is a downtrend. Next level is here, a
Yes.
continuation sign. Here also a continuation sign, and we are seeing green, red, green pattern. Okay, now we can expect
Yes, sir.
sellers entry.
Yes, sir.
Continuation sign, sellers entry, downtrend. So if you want to place, you can place with margin of safety too. So I will show you next candle. So here we can expect sellers, right?
Yes, sir.
Continuation, downtrend, red, green pattern. So there is a level here, but we don't know the market will respect this level or not, because it didn't respect here, right? It didn't
Yes, sir.
respect. It may not respect this level also, right?
Yes.
So according to this downtrend, according to this red green pattern. So I will show you next candle. Now
Yes, sir. It closed at the level means we can go with buyers, sir.
buyers, buy
Yes. Because it's closed at the buyers area, and we are seeing buyers interference in the down momentum.
in down movement and red green pattern.
Yes, sir.
Rejection, there is no breakout, so it
Yes,
will try to reverse, right?
yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir. We can continue with buyers, sir.
buy
Because it made a new high,
new high,
and it came from buyers area means
buyers
it
area,
will
strong candle.
continue. Yes,
Every time we are seeing momentum here, we can expect
yes,
momentum here also, right? We can expect
yes, sir.
continuous bullish momentum here. There is a strong
Yes, sir.
candle. So the market may break this red green pattern, right? So we can expect buyers only. Now
It closed at the level, so we can expect sellers entry.
expect sellers, very long candle is a sign of reversal,
Yes,
and a breakout candle, a breakout of this level. Okay, so it may try to reverse. Very strong candle is a sign of reversal, right? So I will
yes,
show
sir.
you. And here we are seeing another level, this level, no?
Yes.
We have to check this level. Now,
It's again came inside the.
level,
I have to wait, sir.
we have to wait.
Because yes, sir.
Maybe it may form like this, then it may go down to, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a chance to retracement. Or if you want to go with sellers, you can go with sellers directly. But there is only one candle. Here also we are seeing after one candle, we are seeing buyers sentiments, buyers may enter. So better to wait for right opportunity, right? So we should
Yes, sir.
again seller sentiment.
Now we can continue with
You can go
sellers.
with
Sir.
sellers.
Yes.
You can go with sellers because a continuation sign. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A continuation sign, the next level is here. Okay. So buyers enter, no sellers entry. Maybe there might be a level near to this level. Okay. Or the market is respecting this round number. Maybe. Now
I have to wait, sir.
you have to wait.
Yes.
So we need a seller's entry, bearish candle to confirm the order, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
there is no new low, we are seeing a strong candle. Maybe the market may get support from this level, then it may go down, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to wait. Now,
Now we can go with sellers, sir, because it came from sellers area
seller's area,
and it is a downtrend.
downtrend,
Down
and this
momentum.
candle might be a retracement, right?
Yes, sir.
It might be a continuation because we are seeing seller's entry, bearish candle. It got support from previous level and made a bearish candle, right? Now we can go
Yes,
with
sir.
sellers because the market in a momentum like this, right? So now we can expect sellers. So we can place a lower option even if you lost because the trend is downtrend. Okay, now
Uh, we can go with sellers, sir.
we can go
It's
with
confirmed. It's a continuation candle.
continuation candle. So this candle is not a confirmed trade, right? But here this is a confirmed trade
Yes, sir.
because the market may make a bullish candle too in this candle like this trend, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe it may happen, but now we can go with sellers confidently, right? Because a
Yes.
continuation, this candle confirms the downtrend. This candle confirms this candle, right? So we can expect downtrend. Now
It's a breakout candle.
record, and there are some buyers here on the left side.
Yes, sir.
After
We have to wait for a confirmation,
we
sir.
have to wait for 5 second confirmation to go with buyers. Right?
Yes.
If there is no buyers, or if you see any bearish candle like this, it means
So, which candle, sir? Bearish candle.
if there is any bearish candle like this instead of buyers, then
We can continue with sellers, sir.
continue sellers to next level like
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Or if there are any buyers, if there are any buyers like this even after breakout, then the market may try to reverse.
Yes, sir.
At this type of situation, it will continue. So here,
Yes.
if the next candle is 1 minute, if the next candle is like this, the market will try to go up, right? Or if the
Yes, sir.
next candle is like this, it may be a retracement. So we have to wait for another bearish candle to confirm the downtrend, right?
Yes, sir.
Or we have to wait for another bullish candle like this to confirm the uptrend, right? Or if the
Yes,
next candle is a if the next candle is a bearish candle instead of bullish candle, next it will continue, right? So it will continue like this. Got it?
yes, sir.
Got it? So if the
Yes,
next
sir.
candle is a bearish candle, next it will continue directly, right? You can expect a downtrend to this level. So
Yes.
this is how the market is moving here. So we have to observe everything in the market. Okay. So here when we see, we have only two levels, this one and this one, and here also there is a level. We have only three levels, but again the market reversed. Now we can expect sellers enter here. So it got support here means we can draw a level like this too. And in between these two levels, the market is moving, right? Like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay. So here the market may get support and may go down too, right? Or it may
Yes,
enter
sir.
into this level and may go to try to go to reach this level too, right? Like this also. So we have to observe
Yes.
how the market is moving, where the market is getting support like this. So we have to observe everything like this. Okay, okay, that's the point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So every market we can predict some candles also, not all candles are confirmed trades, only some candles are confirmed trades. So we have to observe. Here, this is a confirmed trade, there is a level, right? Here, this is a confirmed trade, this is there is a level. Here also there is a level. But here there is no level and this is not a this is a continuation but a strong candle, better to wait. And here this is a continuation, we can place a lower option here. But after this candle, we can't place a lower option. Okay? Because a
Yes.
strong candle we can't trust. This is not a continuation sign, right? Only some candles are confirmed trades. We can't predict every candlestick, only some candles. So we have to wait for right opportunity. If you don't have any confidence, better to wait. Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.